You unguess what? Just before I start this vlog, my kitten almost dropped my camera. Like, ow! Like I can't believe it. No, it's just about to do that again. Don't do that. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I feel so good saying this after the last 9 months. So I uploaded a video like 3 days ago. It was just a short video, just like a comeback to my YouTube channel. I feel so good being back on this platform, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Like, you guys didn't unsubscribe to my channel despite the fact that I didn't actually post videos. Thank you so much, that means a lot. And it's back to back now. Okay, it's back to back. So in my previous video I actually told you guys that I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys my birthday presents. So this is part 2. I still have part 3 because part 3, God, you see God on my videos. For that, guys, just like, subscribe and share for you guys to be able to unbox with me my greatest birthday present, because I just turned a big number and whew, looks like God came with a big number. And yeah, guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. Wow, I'm a bit speechless, but you know what, let's do this. So I'm gonna be picking just one over there. So my first one, I can remember this was from, I think my sister actually got me this. So this was this is a mom jeans. I have actually been looking for like a mom jeans for the longest time possible, but now the issue is the waist is so big, but I like it. So I'm gonna be styling it for you guys later. I'm gonna be showing you maybe on another vlog, but I like it. But now the issue is the waist is so big, but my hips actually fit. Anyway, this was my first birthday present. This was for my sisters. Yeah, thank you, sissies. Thank you. So that was my first birthday present. Okay, so let's go with which one? Yeah, let's go with this one. So I'll make sure zoom in. Yes. So my next birthday present is this one. This one I actually showed you guys on my, like the video that I just posted like 3 days ago. I think my light keeps fluctuating. Let me sit down and see if it's gonna change. Yeah, so on that vlog I initially showed this present. So this was given to me by my boss. I can't shout out to her because I actually don't know if she actually watches my vlogs or not. So let's unbox. Let's see what I got. What? I can already see like it's a wait. Come on, zoom in. Come on, zoom in. Yes, okay, there we go. So I don't know if you guys can, so it's a size large, so I can already tell that it's not gonna fit me, but if it doesn't, I can maybe put it to my sister because she's a little bigger than me. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's a bathrobe. Wow, it's a bathrobe. The other bathrobe that I own, I actually thrifted it. I actually like it. And then the other one that I own, I think it's in a couple of my vlogs. I got it from and what do I call them? Ex-in-laws. Anyway, what do I call them? I got my previous robe from Oma. Shout out to you, Oma, if you're watching my videos. Thank you very much. I still have that bathrobe. Then now I got gifted another one. Damn, it's not actually large. It's not large. Wait. Wait, I don't know if you guys can see. Wow. Like, okay, fine. I know I'm tiny, but you know what? This is the best part about being tiny with the bathroom. And this is actually really nice. It actually fits good. I like it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. I like this. So, too bad for you, sis. You're not getting it because it actually fits. It's a large, but it actually fits. I like it. So my videos are actually playing on the background. I hope you guys can see that. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Yeah. On to the next one. So I like the wrapping. So she loves, I think she used to love purple, right? Yeah. Shout out to you, my girl. No, she's been my girl. Like, she's literally my sister. Like, she's been my girl since high school, and right now she's currently in Canada. So guess what, guys? This was so sweet. This is so dear to me because my birthday was not up to a month before she flew to Canada. So what she did is she initially got me a present, and then she left it with a friend of ours, and she made sure that when my birthday actually got here, like, my friend actually passed it to me during my birthday. So shout out to you still. I love you so much. Even before unboxing this present, thank you so much for considering me before you went to Canada, and I hope Canada is treating you nice. So let's do this. Ha! This one is on top here because I had already actually carried it. I carried it to work on time when I actually unwrapped the present before this. So that's why it's not like in the papers and stuff. So I had actually carried it. You see, I have already used it a bit because it actually has some papers of mine. Yeah, so this is what was inside. It was a Dior handbag. Thank you, thank you. Then I have never done an unboxing video before. You guys, let's see what else was inside. Let's see what else was inside. So indeed, baby girl, you made me smile. Yes, it's time to smile. Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's a romper. Do you know, guess what? I have always wanted one of these. I have always wanted one of these. I have literally wanted. Oh my god! Oh my god, see that? See that? See that? Yeah! So guys, it's a white romper. It's a white romper. I've always wanted a romper. This is so cute. I don't know why she got me this, but she likes wearing rompers just because like her body is, she's petite, she's fine. So I think because of her love of rompers, she got me this. But thank you, baby girl. I've always wanted a romper. Thank you. Yes, we are still on my girl's present. So let's see what else she got me. Damn. Down. Thank you, girl. Every girl needs a lingerie in her life. Every girl needs a lingerie in her life. So thank you, baby girl. Ah, this is so sweet. And she got it in my favorite color. How did you even guess that? She literally got it in red. Like, red is my fave. Like, I'll do red in. This is awful. This is thoughtful. Like, what the hell? Like, this is, oh god. Anyway, what? This is so, okay, let me know if I do it, but thank you, baby girl. Thank you. Okay, that was it for my presents. Wow, like, damn. How do you even think of getting my friend a lingerie? Like, I'll usually just get them like shoes, perfume. handbag, yes, I'll think of that. Wow, okay, I've given you guys present suggestions. You got it. Okay, so what was the next thing? So next, guys, this is gonna be heavy. Boom. Like you can see, I'm actually living alone. There are times my house gets really chilly, mostly right now, like when I don't have, like when my carpet is out for laundry, my house is a bit like cold. So this was really unessential. So this has really come in handy. I've not used it because I'm still trying. Let's see how it is inside with you all. Oh damn. It's really big, and the fact that I think it emits the heat from this side and the upper side is actually really good. It's better than the small one. And then the fascinating part is it got the rollers, so you can actually move it around. And so this one I will not shout out to the person, but it's a very good friend of mine who actually had me complain for such a long time, and they actually surprised me at work with this. So I had to carry this from work all the way, so it was not delivered at home. So, but shout out to you. Shout out to you. You know I needed this. Shout out to you. Wow, this is getting interesting. Okay. Our next unboxing. Can you see this, guys? Can you see? So that's a blow dryer. Actually, the thing is, I've always been planning on getting myself a blow dryer for the longest time, but I had one initially, but actually lost my other dryer along the way, like transit, because I visited Constancia and I wanted to carry so many bottles of wine from there, because let me tell you, it was, hey, I told you I'm not going anywhere. Can't I just look good and feel good? So guys, where were we? So let's see what's inside the blow dryer. So I think it comes in 3 things. But they're all the same. Like it comes, this is one piece that's inside there. This seems to be actually the same thing. But you know what I actually got disappointed in when I actually unwrapped this blow dryer before today, is that it doesn't have, you see that the comb that can actually just straighten up your wig or something of the sort, or straighten up your natural hair when you actually wash it. That is what I don't like about all these blow dryers. Like you actually have to go and look for that comb yourself. So then it's always very hard to go look for a spare part, like for a blow dryer. I don't get this, because I think that should be like a necessity, because why would you actually own this too when they can actually put the comb in? Anyway, I'm not complaining about my gifts, don't get me wrong. Maybe just a preference, or maybe what I was looking forward to. Then it has this, so I think this is for initially drying. You can actually dry off your, okay, that's how it looks like. So I think you can actually just use it to dry off your hair or your wigs or something like that. I'm gonna try it with you guys when I'm actually using it for the first time. So, oops. Okay, let's see how. Oh, but it's cute. I like it. I like how it looks. Like, it's so damn cute. Okay, it's cute despite that I'm actually complaining about it. It's cute. Okay, I like the settings over here. This is nice. It's cute. Yeah, so that was the other gift. And then we actually replaced our vacuum cleaner. I think on my previous vlogs, I used to have a vacuum cleaner before, but I think I damaged it or I sold it. I can't remember which is which, but we got ourselves a vacuum cleaner. Yeah, so the best part about it is it's wet and dry, so I can actually use it on my couch, I can use it on my bed, I can use it on my wet floor. That's the most amazing part. So let's see how this looks, because I want to start using it as soon as now. Like, soon. Let me get some scissors. Guys, voila, I am about to start laundry service. Voila guys, God, this thing is massive. I am just about to open Smiley cleaning services. Stay tuned, this thing is big. This thing is big. You can't even see it nicely. Let me show you guys. Like, no kidding, I'm starting cleaning services at this. Let me give you guys like a close-up look. So this is how the vacuum cleaner actually looks like all around. This, oh god, I am starting cleaning services. Yeah, so guys, that was it for the unboxing. Thank you very much for sticking on this video. So stay tuned. Make sure guys, again and again, like, share, subscribe, cause we are going to be unboxing my next biggest present for my big age on my next vlog. So guys, stay tuned for that. So guys, stay tuned for more vlogs. Don't forget, I asked you, maybe you can comment on the comment section and let me know. Okay, fine, what do you want to see me just Smiley do? What do you want to see me just Smiley talk about? Like, you can suggest topics, if anything you want me guys to do. Maybe I get to know me, because literally just Smiley has changed for the last 9 months. Like, it's so different. I feel like there's so much that I want to do with you guys, or there's so much that you should actually know about me. So don't miss out on that, on anything. Don't miss out on that. So you can follow me on my socials, on Instagram, which is Smiley, on TikTok, which is Smiley, on Facebook I go by my official names. That's Michelle Maya. So guys, until the next one, bye bye.